us to rebuild a bridge in your heart so that grace will pour afresh into your vessel. We dwell in strange times. We dwell in seasons of destiny. Oh my God, destiny is upon us. And so he calls us to the convergence this time so that we can count the cost. Because we will build unto him a tower of conviction, a tower of commitment, a tower of obedience, a tower built in his name and built for his glory. Your life will reveal his glory. You alone, like it was for Adam in the garden, in the cool of the day when he stepped out to fellowship with him. The crowns of greatness that we have experienced, we cast it down before your presence.